Okay, if you want to know about your watching hour, how many hours do you go or how many subscribers do you go, you can check through to your phone. The easy way you can check to your phone is to upload YouTube Studio. There was two types of YouTube Studio. There was the new version and the old one. Try to upload the new one. That's the best one, because the old one now people they don't use anymore, so it doesn't have that more. So when you get that one, you can start knowing like how much watching hour you go, how much subscriber you go. You can check all your videos by one. So I'm going to tell you guys the all tips that they are going to help you to start watching to see your watching hours or your subscribers, or any video is performing good or a video doesn't perform good. You can go and check the way I'm going to show you here. So guys, please if you're new, please guys, if you're new to me, please can you subscribe, like and comment. We are on the road of 1k subscriber, so please guys, support our channel to reach that 1k. So guys, I'm going to show you how you can start doing that. You will go to a YouTube Studio. When you go to a YouTube Studio, upload YouTube Studio on your phone. Yeah, when you download YouTube Studio on your phone, you go to the setting, you start changing all the setting on your YouTube Studio. After that, you are going to see where YouTube Studio is. After that, when you go to YouTube Studio, you are going to start checking your channel monetization. How many watching hour do you get? You are going to check like how many subscriber you got. So it's easy. It's not like someone who using computer or laptop or those other device. You can use your phone, and your phone also is more important than even the laptop sometimes, because this you can put in your pocket. Anywhere you go, you check, okay, how many watching hour I go. Straight away you flip like this, you see your watching hour. You see like this, you see your subscriber. You see like this, you can see everything in your phone without not even let me go and find somewhere. I don't have internet, I don't have my charger of my laptop or my computer, I need to plug all this wire, all this stuff. No, your phone, that's something you go in your pocket. Sometimes you can use your phone as a camera recording. Sometimes you can start using like checking your watching hour, subscriber, to know everything about your YouTube channel. And it's very good. I know a lot of people, they don't know about what is YouTube Studio. Guys, go and download YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is this one you see here. So this are YouTube Studio, and it's going to help you to check everything on your channel. It's easy to use. You don't need to pay, you don't need to do anything. It's free app, and you are going to connect only with your channel. You put your email and password, that's it. You get everything from your YouTube through to your YouTube Studio, and it's giving you even more than even how you are going to go to YouTube, what's called on laptop, go and do search, go Google, go to this, go to no. This you click the app, everything is there. You can change your thumbnail or your video through to YouTube Studio. You can add description to your YouTube Studio. You can add tag through YouTube Studio. You can change anything you want on your video, especially like me, when I'm just doing short video, I just use my phone. Everything, adding tag, title, description, hashtag, whatever I want to do, I do only through my phone. I don't use my laptop, but you can use your laptop as well if you are good in laptop. But on laptop you have to go Google YouTube Studio on laptop, but this one you download only the app, and it's easy to use. You see that the difference. I say like phone is more even important than the laptop. Laptop you have to get wires, this, get internet, get access. But as long as you got internet on your phone, then that's it. You can use your phone without not even thinking like, where can I get charger? Because as long as your phone you're using for everything you want to do in your life, then that's it. So guys, everyone is supposed to download YouTube Studio, and especially when you are going to check this video, then the video you upload yesterday and the video you upload today, which one is performing good, YouTube Studio is going to tell you all those. YouTube Studio is going to tell you all those things, which video perform good and which video doesn't perform good. So from that time you can check even, oh, this my video doesn't perform good, so next time let me go with this idea of this video, maybe this is going to help me. Again, you can check again your thumbnail, which thumbnail YouTube they get more engaged and they click your video, this one or this one. So YouTube Studio got all those features. They didn't sponsor me, but I use, so whatever I'm using I like to share to you guys, then you to start doing. So if you want to know like how to use YouTube Studio, is only create the app, download the app from Play Store or what is called Apple Store, something like that, then that's it. You don't need to do anything after that. When you download, you log in with your email of your YouTube, that's it. You can sign out using another Gmail again, log into that YouTube, That's it. And again, you can flip Gmail through to YouTube Studio, because how do you do? I'm going to show you how you can just flip the what's called in the Gmail. You click top to the profile. When you click to the profile, it's same like YouTube Studio. You see to the top. So if I click here, I can just add another Gmail. That's how you can do it. You take this Gmail, you add another Gmail. You take this one, you add another one. You take this one. The more you change Gmail you go, the more easy of your using of YouTube Studio. Also, it's like that. Appreciate for you guys. Thank you very much for supporting me. Please guys, try to download YouTube Studio to know more about your YouTube, download YouTube Studio to know more about your YouTube, because YouTube Studio is going to tell you everything about your YouTube. Okay guys, so don't miss YouTube Studio. Download YouTube Studio to get everything from your YouTube. So I appreciate for you guys. Please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment. See you next video guys.